5 sales from Instagram on autopilot. How did I do it? First of all, let me take you back a little bit. I have been building my business on Facebook since around 2009, 2010. It's where I've generated the most of my leads. It's where I've generated the most of my sales. Facebook has been my home office ever since then. There was a time when I was using Instagram and I was heavily using bots back then. This was probably from 2012 to about 2015. So to make a long story short, I was doing a lot of things the wrong way, even though I was generating a ton of leads and at least 2 to 5 sales every single day on Instagram. Instagram has changed a lot since then. But I haven't been using Instagram since about 2015, at least not the way that I should be. So recently, a little over 30 days ago, as of the making of this video, I started a brand new Instagram account and I started using it the right way this time, especially with all the new changes that has been going on with Instagram. And within my first 30 days, I built a following of 200 organic followers and I generated 24 leads and made 5 sales. And in this podcast episode of the Behind the Automation podcast, I want to teach you exactly how I was able to do that. So go ahead and go to lisaonautopilot.com/11 and I will see you over there.